Hi friends, let me show you these new Pyrex Snapware food containers. They are all glass with a plastic lids, but I think it's great that they are all glass because they are easy to clean. They won't keep odors or flavors. As you can see, these are the food storage. Let me show you what you get in each package. And the lids are plastic, easy to use, okay? We're gonna do that in a few minutes. So this is what you get in this package. You get 2 cup-sized containers, 236 milliliters, okay? 2 of them with their lids, okay? You get 2 4 cups containers, 946 milliliters here, round ones also with their lids. And you get 2 square or rectangle ones. These are 2 cups each. Okay, 473 milliliters with their lids. And you get 2 of 4 cups, but square ones, not round ones. So these are 4 cups round, 4 cups square, okay? 946 milliliters with their lids. And you get 1 6 cups container, okay? 1.4 liters with a large lid, okay? So these are all the containers you get. The lids are easy to use. You just put them and close these ones, so you can put the food in the refrigerator and they are airtight. You can wash them in the dishwasher if you want, and you can write in the surface with non-permanent crayons, okay, with non-permanent paints. Okay. So you know this food is good until May 3rd, or anything you want to write on them, maybe what kind of food it is, and you are able to erase it or wash it away, okay? So here is the marker, and this one is clean, okay? So you can write on them dates, what kind of food you have. They are really waterproof, so anything will come out of them. And you have enough sizes to use them whenever you need them. So if you need new food containers, these are great. These are glass, so you can wash them really easy. They won't preserve odors or colors, and the lids are great, so your food is protected. Thank you.